Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add payment method on KuCoin account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your KuCoin app on your phone, right? And as soon as you open your phone, this is how the interface gonna pop up. Now tap on this profile icon on top left corner. From over here, simply go ahead, tap on this option of security. Now from over here, below the delete account, you will find this option of payment method. Tap on it, tap on add payment method. Now you will find bank. Simply have to enter the name of the deposit bank, enter your account number, enter the branch of your bank, enter your name and phone number, then tap on confirm and your bank will be added. Now if you tap on this bank, then you will find plenty of other options: pay, uphold, Apple Pay, Nettler, Money, Cash App, and Wells Fargo. This app banks are simply available right over here. You can choose whichever one you prefer and then add the information of it and tap on confirm at the bottom and you're good to go. That is basically it takes for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in our next video.